What's up, guys? Super slow day, so I'm gonna record just to see what we can get. Likely no trades. So far, I see Ovid back to 9 for potential. You know, just a scalp, nail and bail. No real. Not gonna use big size, 1,000 shares max with the range, and we'll see. Maybe it's under review. I'll use more. And then CAPR is like a newer pop, so let's see what happens at the open. Couldn't get locates on SGOB. Yeah, that crap sucks. I keep hitting this. But nothing. And VVPR is interesting. It's like bouncing. So I don't know. Let's see. So I'm just gonna send a few texts, get ready for the open. All right, let's see. I feel like VVPR is gonna surprise people. I'll pull it up. It's super light volume, but it has this like weird squeeze. I don't know. I'm gonna draw the lines just in case I have to pull it over. I mean, maybe like that. Today is just a slow day, so I don't want to force myself to see anything either. Just keep it very simple. Okay. Well, I have the lines drawn if we get a bounce. Kind of like what Austin said, 650 bounce. Guess we got that line from there. I'm gonna stop over 7. Okay, 40 seconds. Pop on this 650 would be nice. 9 here. I think. It's over here. Ovid bounces. I will bring it over to the screen, but I kind of like this one. I like how it's setting up a little bit. Okay, let's see. Oh, big tank. I'm still trying to fucking locate some of this. Again, if nothing pops, nothing we can do, right? Wow, it's gonna limit up. I'm gonna let it do its thing. It's just too crazy. And it looks like it's gonna halt. Well, that's something to play. while it's doing this, let's get the lines from. Remember, I want to see it reject and then give us a reason to short. Okay. So probably use 30% size. I'm going to be patient. A lot of meat on the bone now, so. Put some on. Nice. Take that off. That was fast. All right, well, missed the halt, but it pretty much caught the top and bottom of that little handle, so I'm not going to ditch. But now it's just, I'm up, $100. So now I kind of have some wiggle room to short back on bounces. And you see how we got that? Waited for the top, waited for it to stall, got in, had no hesitation. That's, wasn't going to use size. It's a low float. Our chat room's involved, so. But now I'm confident in that there's overhead resistance with plenty of meat left on the bone. So now I can short back on pops. CAPR, I'm hoping bounces. SGLB, wow. Okay, so now we gotta sit and be patient for everything to bounce. I'm gonna probably kill Tom Diesel if I can't get a locate on SGLB. Funny story while we're in a halt. When I was at, I think it was Interactive Brokers like a long time ago. You used to be able to hit a button like this, and I hit it so many times on one day that they messaged me and were like, "Can you please fucking stop?" SGLB, please. Okay. So VVPR can take people by surprise a little bit. Let's see Let's see, little one. It's a 390 pivot, probably. So, please, for the love of Jesus H. Christ. This GLB, I think, is going to could take people by surprise. I mean, no locates, but just waiting for everything to pop. Need to unhalt. 410 is the imbalance. GLBs, if you're watching it right now, it's like at that point where VWAP over 5 could really squeeze. Struggling. Ovid just bounces. Can't really chase lows there. CAPR this point, take VWAP 630, kind of risk around 650 or add there, but risk over that. Keep hitting this until something pops up. If it doesn't, line of Prague, killing Tom. This entire move is fake. It's all fake volume. So when this thing finally cracks, it's back below VWAP. I think, it, you know, if you're watching it just live, it would be the best short. Okay, we're open. Water, fuck. See if we get it to bounce. Amazed if they do. Wow. Just didn't take me. Am I really just having those kind of days lately? CAPR, you bastard. Buy is cheap. Wow. Okay. Well, any pops on VVPR? I'm gonna look to short as well. CAPR. Come on. Can't chase lows, but you know, there's some serious back holders here. So if this thing pops, I'm in. There we go. I'm gonna scale to around 440. Gotta save some bullets for up there, just in case we pop like that. Under 393, we get like 370s. All right, so. cents. Don't do that. Add some of those bounce. Yeah, if we get back up to like 430s, I want to add 412 average, almost at 20 cents. I'm gonna do 420. Yeah. Let the rest kind of ride. Ooh. Not bad. I really can't catch a break with you guys. Like short some, just trying to scalp around. Money for you, show you guys some shit. Except the top. I can't go back to the well too many times at this point. I need it to either pop more let's see. Vibe is so rough. It's one of those stupid dollar stocks. It just sucks for short. So my new plans are CAPR either to pop back to like UAP 6 or 650, or come on, yes, bitch, or VVPR to pop. Popping. Now I can short bigger size. I believe 293 is good support, cover spots. But I feel like this thing can pop a little bit more than. I feel like this thing can give us one last big pop. How many did I just go? But I'm not gonna oversize early anymore because I think it's gonna push to VWAP, and that would be the ideal spot. If it doesn't, that 250 shares I just put on is gonna be it. I'm not gonna force size at the bottom. So I'm actually gonna start putting some fantasy orders. No, it's not. What's VWAP? 427. Okay. I want 425. At least another 250. And then I'll be reactive from there. If it pops from there, then I'll add some. I need it to pop some as I see something. And this piece, I'll be greedy with the 250. If it breaks down, I'll look to hold until 370s, low 380s. But I feel like this one could catch people off guard a little bit. Push the view up. Not, again, I'm just not gonna get greedy. What the hell? Are you really gonna be bounce this like this? Hey. COVID just totally bounces. It's insane. SGLV, as crazy as this is, as of right now, I'm kind of glad. No, look, it's trading so weird. Just don't get it. Okay, so I'm gonna get 250 shares from 405. I really want to get on 2,000, but I can't size unless we push. I mean, it's just you can't do it. You're gonna end up putting yourself in a bad position. The problem is, again, you size down here. This is where new traders fuck up all the time. This is where I used to fuck up a lot. So new traders, they size down here, expecting to see the lows, when in reality, that doesn't happen often. You can scalp these bounces totally. Use a scalping size, which like for me is usually like, again, 500 to 1,000 shares. It's just a good scalper. But you cannot size unless it's at one of those, like I think Alex calls them inflection points. So it's like VWAP, a resistance level, something like that, right? So that's where you look to use size and to pay attention to the tape and all that. So, and I kind of have my risk. I mean, I'm planning on my risk being around 450. Like not around, like that's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be close to there. I mean, I don't really want to see it reclaim VWAP, to be honest. I mean, weird. 1.8 million volume. Let's see the all the volumes. Okay. So all the volumes kind of stuck in the 420s, it seems. So this thing's probably going to fade off. Yeah. Then be patient. If you're going to bounce, you're going to bounce. Not. Another chat rooms in. See how VVPR is just like lingering though? That's why it's like just, yeah, just gonna stay patient. COVID is bouncing straight on this way. Try a scalp off intraday VWAP. I don't think I'm gonna really get in. Mm, 710. Don't do this to me. Well, none of that shit. This one I'm just gonna, it's just gonna be a scalp if I get it. Seems like it's kind of rejecting a bit. SSR, so I got them even to get a fill. Fucking hate SSR so much. 660. Take my 20 cents with that one. All right. Well, probably it for me today. All right, my phone's calling me. All right. Well, see, you fucking idiot, James. You gotta wait for the lines, dude. It's so aggravating sometimes. It's like, you wait, you get the good entry, good risk, and then you take it off early. And again, you can't be greedy, but you have to. Whatever, he's a good scout, but I'm not gonna be mad. Look at this, same thing with VVPR, you motherfucker. I said I'd be greedy, that small ass size, and look what happened. It went another 20 cents. Just typical shit. All right, not a problem. Times at 952. As you guys seen, it's been really slow. I mean, I just $400 there, whatever, it's good. It's just I really want to eventually look at something to show you guys. That'd be good. I mean, but again, right? We take these last couple of days. $400 today, $300 yesterday, $250 the other day, right? I mean, I'm already up close to $1,000 in 3 days, so it's just slow. That is the problem with what we're dealing with right now, and that's fine. On a slow day, I'm gonna take this. In a slow week, I'm gonna take $1,000 because again, like this is what I make trading. It's my supplemental income, so I like to take it slow like that. And when the opportunity comes, I'll size it. And like watching like Alex make like 5-10K on stuff like this is amazing, right? Because that's my goal and that's what I'd love to be, but it's just not there yet, right? You have to understand that. You have to be realistic in your trade. So that's really it. I mean, again, not everything is for size, and I like to be able to at least show you guys that you can make money with small size. Like, people always trying to locate big size, thinking that you have to do it, all this crap, and it's in reality, it's not the case. Let's do vibes. Let's do vibes dead. Oh, shit. Oh, CAPR. That was the other one. Wow, what a dick. No bounce at all. All right, at this point in the day, at this point, it's either pushes on VVPR back towards like 410, 420. Let's get rid of these. Let's draw new lines. Let's see, like 410, 420 is like VWAP. Also couples up with that kind of pre-market breakout point, which is typical. This GLB, damn, dude. How many times do you guys think I put this shit? It's gotta be a lot. Okay. All right, patience, guys. Problem is over. Yes, bounces are good, but now it's making out higher low. Okay. Waiting for bounces. SGLD, right? Let's recap this. This is good. No locates anywhere. The whole bounce from 380 to 520 was fabricated by chat room. And what happened when he exited? Boom. I mean, just killing people, right? If you actually look at this, I'll show you something. Look where the volume is. All chat room pushing that shit up. Right when it got below there, boom. Goes. Yeah. CAPR is really going red. Locate ferry there. VVPR, I mean, I could be super wrong. I could see this thing like zombieing back a little bit. Maybe, maybe it doesn't take up the whole move again, but just gonna wait. 5:57, I got plenty of time. My day is pretty much wrapped up, but if I can get another one good trade in, maybe I'll take that. But again, at this point, it's either your ideal entries or not. That's it. Oh, good. Oh, cool. And I miss a move like that. My screen. So now I literally have only one thing to watch. Let's watch this GLB. At this point, I should be, I'd be shorting all pops. And I would miss them. 450 would be awesome. 440 for 50, 70 for 80. And I sacrificed Tom Beasley and his whole family. They'll come up at that point. Keeping it slow, guys. Oh, this should be. All right, it's 10. I'll give it a couple more minutes. That's it. Max. Well, that's my alarm. Fuck you, loser. Come on, loser. I swear, it's like my mom wants to have like conversations about like the origin of like religion at this time. Like she always craziest conversations. Oh, dude, no, I don't even want to watch this. I don't want to watch it. Okay, look at all. There's 5 more minutes. If this shit doesn't pop, I'm done. Wait for a message from like Chris or someone. Stop fucking hitting that button. I feel like the American Psycho sometimes. This is me when I can't get a look. God That's me. Patrick Bateman. One of my favorite movies of all time. If you've never seen it, you're a loser. One, you know what, boys and girls, I'm gonna wrap it up. All right. Sorry, still kind of a boring one. Hopefully sooner rather than later we get something worth watching. A busier day. So hope this helps. Catch you guys later.